Todd, where are we at?
We're at Speedway.
What are we doing?
They have their cars and coffee this morning.
All right. You ready or what?
Yeah,
You showed up with the car?
Sort of.
The old beast yourself, the excursion. Just in case we need a tow pole or, you know, who knows?
Who knows? Todd comes prepared. Hat, sunglasses, and all.
All right, we got quite the turnout here at a Speedway event. It's cool, we're starting to recognize some of these owners. This is from Wheel Hub, this is from last week's car show.
It was clean. It was a 390 car. You're going small as a Chevy under that.
I put that green on the TV. Todd, is that your 65? It says Todd 65.
I knew you secretly brought some. Super sport. Oh yeah. So apparently Todd, no, it's not. I mean, it looks nice. Tell the people. Oh. This nice, beautiful thing. Right. I built it.
Yeah, we did this probably almost 4 years ago.
What is it?
GTO. They brought it in because they needed, I think it was some front end stuff on it. And we ended up redoing the whole thing and changing the color because the original color was a dark green.
Like a deep forest, metallic-y green. This is nice.
The paint looks really good.
If you didn't know, you do now. We specialize in paint.
The red that Mazda uses. Have you seen the newer Mazdas running around?
I have. Megan's made that very... This is Megan's Mazda red that she's looking for.
Oh my, I know. That's like the monster that I asked.
Because, you know what, you can do that. This is what we found, just seen a Mazda drive by. That's the color we want.
It's interesting how that works.
Yeah.
We've met with some of the Wheel Hub owners, and how they came across the color was always unique. Like a truck drove by or an ornament fell off a tree. Koi wheels?
I'm not for sure because he put those on afterwards after he got it done.
Is this a half a topper? What is this?
Basically, it's like a sleeper.
Wait, what?
So you used to be able to take the back window out and this window out, and they put a rubber boot in between. And you used to be able to crawl in and put your kids back there, and they'd lay down and take a nap.
What? Don't tell me your truck can't do nothing, because it can do that. That's awesome. What do you think, Megan?
This is a lot.
This is Megan's car right here.
This is a Megan car?
This is a Megan car right here.
Why?
That's big. I can see you driving it.
You heard it here, folks.
The car she currently drives is tiny. Let's give her a yacht, a land yacht.
Well, okay, yeah, you have to tell me what this is.
LTV.
Okay.
What does LTD stand for?
Yeah.
Limited time driving, because it won't be driving for long.
Compared to what I currently drive, this is low.
I like that. Limited time driving.
That's gorgeous.
That's got a, well, that's a little blower on it. No, it doesn't have a top, but it's probably got a
I love it. Alright, both of these cars are in Speedway, which is kind of cool. Whoa, you're taken back by...
I'm taken back by how many cars there are here. Like, usually at a normal Cars and Coffee, they stop like, there's about 2 rows left in the parking lot. But they have filled this and they are starting to park in the grass.
This doesn't typically happen.
This is a big turnout, which is good. Like, I'm glad. Get out there, showcase your cars if you've got them.
If you're looking for us, we're always at car shows. We are Muscle Car Concepts. You dream it, we build it.
And we will talk to you, we'll film you.
It's getting hot, are you?
Yeah.
It's getting a little sticky out here.
They were wondering what happened. Cameraman's got his clothes off.
Holy cow.
See the bat boat?
Bat boat.
That's cool.
Really?
Oh yeah. Going?
So total plot twist, there was a Z28, no it's not Z28, it's a, this might be it. There was a 280ZX Nissan Turbo Datsun at the shop. Shouts out to the owner. He was looking to sell it and he left it at the shop and we were looking to sell it. Didn't get sold, but we did watch him crash it, and I think this is it. There was a small little bump into a gas station pillar. We all saw it live, which is interesting. Pretty much the day it left.
My wife and my brother laying down in the back.
Alright, so we're doing our best to walk around, show you guys as much as we can. This is some of the better turnouts we've had at Speedway. So not everything will be shown, and that's kind of expected. But hopefully you guys, enjoy a little bit of muscle car content outside of the shop. That's what this is. We're just getting our name out there, being a part of the community, showing up to events. And it's not even to make a big deal about anything or show up with their own stuff. It's just to be a part of it, I hope you guys can enjoy, find value. If you guys see us out, say what's up. If you'd like to see other things, let us know. We can work to make the content you guys want to see turn out just as nice as the cars. So you guys let us know and we will over deliver.
Oh no, you know. The car's got 2 gallons. Now that could have been. Because I think she said it was like $200. And that's probably been.
Do a burnout! I've always wanted to see this with the Godzilla motor. Oh, wow. Thank you.
This is for the museum here. This one? No, I'm gonna do it good. Yeah, I'm going
Alright, we are ending the video off at Cook's Collection. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.